Welcome to InCabin from the creators of AutoSense. InCabin connects the global community of automotive interior specialists working on in-cabin safety, comfort, and productivity solutions through industry-leading events and knowledge sharing. We're speaking with Wilfried Hermes, Director of Consumer Electronics and Automotive for North America and Europe for trinamiX. And Wilfried, welcome to InCabin. Good to see you, friend.
Hello, thanks Carl for introduction.
And so trinamiX is going to be showcasing its invisible biometric sensing display at InCabin USA 2025 in Detroit. Can you tell us more about what this technology encompasses?
Yeah, we are really looking forward to bring this technology to the show. And what the technology is about, what we did is we integrated the sensing head behind a display, and this sensing head is eager to show different features. So first of all, face authentication. This is also where we came from. So we have a very secure way to unlock or to start your car. With the same module, we can enable airbag adjustments as well as 3D with 3D mapping. We do seatbelt detection by material classification, and last but not least, we do vital signs measurement, measuring the heart rate. And all of this with one module integrated behind the display.
And Wilfried, will stay with that train of thought there, this single hardware module. So all of the biometric imaging functions integrated within the invisible biometric sensing display, they are enabled by a single hardware module. Can you specify the components of this module and give us some insight there?
Yes, I can do that. So what we do is we use the driver monitoring system camera, which is already mandatory in cars. So we take a 940 nanometer CMOS camera and adding only a laser dot projector next to it. While doing so, we send out light. It's reflected by different targets and received by the camera, allowing these features mentioned before to bring to the users.
Staying with that train of thought, Wilfried, can you expand on the working mechanism of this technology and then ultimately how it facilitates safety and comfort functions?
Yes. So how it works is, so we use the dot projector as mentioned before, which sends out the light. So it sends out roughly 4,000 dots, for example. It's reflected by different targets, by faces, by seatbelt materials, and others. The camera is detecting the beams which are reflected, and within the profile of the beam, we got all information. And for each of these features, seatbelt detection, 3D mapping for airbag adjustment, and the others, we use different algorithms. So your question was, how can we facilitate safety for this? It's about material classification and measuring the heart rate. And with this, we increase the safety for the passengers.
We're speaking with Wilfried Hermes, Director of Consumer Electronics and Automotive for North America and Europe for trinamiX. And Wilfried, I do understand that trinamiX also provides a solution for airbag adjustment. Can you expand on how this solution operates?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So airbags today all work in the same position. And if you think of sitting in the car, some people are tall, some people are small, some people driving in relaxed position, some people are driving directly into the steering wheel. And what you would like to do is you would like to adjust the airbag. And how we do is we measure with our module the 3D position of the head as well as the torso. And with this, we adjust the airbag to have always the driver as well as the passenger in the most safe manner for the airbag.
At InCabin USA 2025 in Detroit, you will have a demonstrator of your solutions. Wilfried, how soon do you anticipate seeing implementation of your trinamiX solutions in production vehicles?
Thanks for this question. So we are already working on it to integrate this now into the first OEM car model, and we will see this on street in 2028. But of course, talking to a lot of other OEMs, we are happy to integrate this already earlier if this is be pushed by the OEMs.
We're speaking with Wilfried Hermes, Director of Consumer Electronics and Automotive for North America and Europe for trinamiX. Pleasure to have you with us, my friend. Looking forward to seeing you in person in Detroit for InCabin USA 2025, June 10th through the 12th at the Huntington Place in downtown Detroit. We'll look forward to seeing that demonstrator of all of your solutions. Until then, thank you for being with us today, virtually anyway.
Thank you, Carl. Looking forward to it.
For more information on trinamiX and to find out more about our upcoming events, see the links in the description or visit InCabin.com. That's InCabin.com. And for more in-depth interviews like this, subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow InCabin on LinkedIn. In Detroit, on behalf of InCabin, I'm Carl Anthony.